We're going to install a deck belt.
There's a couple of places to do it. So one method that I prefer is to loop it around the bottom, then go to here, and then stick it on this nut. And then once you get on the nut, just turn it. Oops, get it down there. You can lose your fingers in this process, so it's pretty dangerous. But if you know what you're doing, okay, see it's almost on. It's almost on. It's on. Okay. And now another place you can do this is you can do it over here. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can actually remove the belt. Okay, so you just take your hand, lift up, you can lift it right off. Now, you can lose your fingers, you can cut your skin cut off again. You should wear gloves. I actually ripped my glove, so you can wear stronger gloves. But that's another way to do it. Now, if you want, you can actually install the same belt Alright, so there we go. Now it's in. That's another way you can install it. Okay, so that's it. You can't do it on this side because there's a second belt that runs up here, so you don't want to do it on this side. Either do it here, which I think is easiest, or you can do it here, which is more difficult.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.